Question number 54 of IIT JAM 2025 MS paper. The question is as we have x1, x2, x10 and y1, y2, y10 are independent random variable where xi is following normal 0, sigma square and yi is following normal 0, 3 sigma square for every I 1 to 10. And the observables, that is d1, d2, d10, where di is nothing but the Euclidean distance between the point this and this, and the observed value of summation di square is given as 1050, and we have to find the method of moment estimate of sigma square. By definition ही proceed करेंगे. Method of moment estimate क्या करेंगे, इक्वेट करेंगे द पॉपुलेशन मीन और अ पॉपुलेशन वेरिएंस. सिंस हमें सिग्मा स्क्वायर का निकालना है तो इसको हम लोग इक्वेट करेंगे टू दी सैम्पल वैल्यू ऑफ this variance. Now expectation of, let us find this relation between that summation of di square and this Euclidean distance between this point. So di square is nothing but xi minus 0 whole square plus yi minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 5 whole square, that is xi square plus yi square plus 25, and this is di square. Now take summation both side, take summation, we get summation di square is equal to summation xi square plus summation yi square plus 25 into, since 25 is constant, and we have 10 observation into 10, and we have given summation of di square as 1050, that is 1050 is equal to summation of xi square plus summation of yi square plus 250. From here summation of xi square plus summation of yi square is nothing but 1050 minus 250, that is 008. Now we know that xi is following normal 0, sigma square and yi is following normal 0, 3 sigma square. So take this as star equation. So now xi by sigma square, xi by sigma, actually xi by sigma, that is normal 0, 1, and yi by root 3 sigma is normal 0, 1, and xi square by sigma square will follow chi square 1, and yi square by 3 sigma square follow chi square 1. Now अब क्या करता है, फ्रॉम दिस एडजस्टमेंट कर देते हैं सो दैट कि हम काई स्क्वायर बनाते हैं, डिवाइडेड बाई सिग्मा स्क्वायर इंटू सिग्मा स्क्वायर, प्लस यहाँ पर भी सेम काम करते हैं, समेशन ऑफ वाई आई स्क्वायर बाई 3 सिग्मा स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 800. अब क्या बोला है, मेथड ऑफ मोमेंट एस्टिमेट ऑफ सिग्मा स्क्वायर. तो एक्सपेक्टेशन ले लेते हैं. इफ़ वी टेक एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ दिस, दैट इज plus expectation of 3 sigma square summation yi square by 3 sigma square is equal to 800. This is sigma square and expectation of this take as t1 and this to be t2. This is nothing but expectation of t1 summation of ti, take it as ti, and t1i and t2i, that is plus expectation of, that is 3 sigma square summation t2i is equal to 800. Now since this t1i follow chi square 1, तो समेशन सारे IID सारे इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, सारे xi इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, तो सारे t1i's भी इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे, t2i's भी इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे. दिस विल फॉलो chi square 10, तो एक्सपेक्टेशन विल बी 10. सिमिलरली इसका भी एक्सपेक्टेशन 10 होगा. दिस इज 800. दैट मीन्स now cancel out by this. We have 4 sigma square is equal to 80. That means sigma square is equal to 20. So the answer is 20.